What happens if you eat pomegranate daily? Eating pomegranate every day benefits. Health benefits of pomegranate, from boosting immunity to protecting your heart. Nutrition facts you must know. Have you encountered a fruit that is more rich in nutrients and packed with more nutrition than a pomegranate? This red and nutrient-dense fruit is renowned for its exceptional health benefits. It has been referred to as a divine fruit as it is the most frequently mentioned fruit in theological books. Pomegranate is recognized for its antioxidant, antiviral, and anti-tumor properties, and is considered a good source of essential vitamins such as vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E, as well as folic acid. The fruit contains two essential compounds, punicalagin and punicic acid, which provide it with its potent health benefits. Surprisingly, the antioxidant content in pomegranates is nearly 3 times greater than that of wine or green tea. Regular consumption of pomegranates, whether by eating the fruit or drinking the juice, can be incredibly beneficial for your immune system, help to combat type 2 diabetes, regulate blood pressure, promote smooth digestion, and enhance the natural radiance of your skin. When you're looking for a snack, consider grabbing a pomegranate to munch on instead. A single serving of pomegranate, which amounts to 64 calories, is high in carbohydrates and natural sugar. This fruit serving comprises 14 grams of carbohydrates and 11 grams of sugar, but it also contains 3 grams of fiber and 1 gram of protein. Who should be careful while eating pomegranate? Pomegranate consumption in the form of fruit or juice is generally considered safe and does not result in any side effects. Nevertheless, pomegranate extracts may cause sensitivity issues in some cases, manifesting as symptoms such as itching, swelling, a runny nose, and difficulty breathing. There are certain conditions where people should exercise caution before consuming pomegranate in any form. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. While pomegranate juice is considered safe for consumption during pregnancy and breastfeeding, there is insufficient reliable information on the safety of pomegranate extract use. It is advisable to limit intake to juice during this phase. Low blood pressure. Consuming pomegranate juice may increase the risk of blood pressure dropping excessively low for individuals who have low blood pressure. Allergies to plants. Individuals with allergies to plants are at a higher risk of developing an allergic reaction to pomegranate. Surgery. Discontinue pomegranate consumption at least 2 weeks before surgery, as this red fruit may interfere with blood pressure regulation. We explain to you some of your health benefits. 1. Protects us from free radicals. Pomegranate is abundant in antioxidants, which protect our body from free radicals responsible for premature aging. These free radicals are generated due to exposure to the sun and exposure to harmful environmental toxins. 2. It thins your blood. The antioxidants in pomegranate serve as a blood thinner. Pomegranate seeds prevent the formation of blood clots and coagulation of blood platelets. There are 2 types of blood clots. The first type is beneficial and facilitates healing during a cut or injury, while the second type forms internally, such as in the heart, arteries, or other parts of the body. These internal clots are harmful and may be life-threatening. 3. Prevention of atherosclerosis. As we age and adopt certain lifestyles, our artery walls become harder due to cholesterol buildup, potentially resulting in blockages. Pomegranate's antioxidant properties prevent the oxidation of bad cholesterol, which helps to remove excess fat and prevent hardening of artery walls when consumed. 4. It acts like an oxygen mask. The antioxidants in pomegranate fight free radicals, lower cholesterol levels, and prevent blood clots. This, in turn, improves blood flow, allowing for increased levels of oxygen in the body. 5. It prevents arthritis. Pomegranate can combat the enzyme that damages cartilage and has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation. 6. Fights erectile dysfunction. While it may not be a miracle cure, some evidence suggests that pomegranate juice can have a modest positive effect on erectile dysfunction. 7. Fights heart disease and prostate cancer. According to 2 studies, pomegranate juice may have the potential to combat prostate cancer. In one experiment, pomegranate juice was found to slow the growth and even cause death of cultured cancer cells. As mentioned earlier, pomegranate juice also has blood-thinning properties that can improve blood circulation and prevent cardiovascular diseases. 8. Pomegranate is loaded with beneficial nutrients. A cup of pomegranate seed contains 24 grams of sugar and 144 calories. A cup of pomegranate seeds contain following nutrients. Fiber, 7 grams. Protein, 3 grams. Folate, 16% of the RDA. Potassium, 12% of the RDA. Vitamin C, 30% of the RDA. Vitamin K, 36% of the RDA. 9. It improves memory. A study was carried out on individuals with memory problems who were given 237 milliliters of pomegranate juice daily. After a period of time, significant improvement was observed in their verbal and visual memory. Additionally, a study on mice demonstrated that consuming pomegranate could also prevent Alzheimer's disease, but human trials are still needed to confirm this. 10. It lowers blood pressure. Pomegranate contains punicic acid, which is a key component that aids in lowering cholesterol, triglycerides, and blood pressure. 11. Helps in digestion. We are aware that fiber is beneficial for digestion. However, our modern lifestyle, which is dominated by junk food, often deprives us of the fiber that is present in fruits and vegetables. Therefore, incorporating pomegranate into your daily diet is an excellent way to increase your fiber intake. A single pomegranate can provide 45% of your recommended daily intake of fiber. 12. Boosts immunity. Pomegranates are a rich source of anti-inflammatory compounds, making them a beneficial addition to the diet of individuals with immune-related conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Pomegranates are also high in vitamin C, which enhances antibody production and supports immune development. By consuming pomegranates regularly, individuals can promote a robust immune system and protect themselves against common infections and illnesses. 13. Lowers stress levels. In addition to reducing the body's internal oxidative stress, pomegranates can also help alleviate psychological stress caused by personal and professional factors. A study conducted by Queen Margaret University revealed that people who consumed pomegranate juice had lower levels of cortisol, a stress hormone that tends to increase in stressful situations. 14. Prevent plaque formation. Pomegranate juice can serve as a healthier alternative to alcohol-based mouthwashes for improving oral health. This is because certain compounds found in pomegranate possess potent anti-plaque properties. According to a study, the hydroalcoholic extract of pomegranate was found to be effective in reducing the formation of dental plaque caused by the buildup of microorganisms by almost 84%. 15. Strengthen bones and athletic performance. Numerous studies have demonstrated the potential benefits of pomegranates for bone health. In animal studies, the fruit has been shown to have a preventative effect on bone loss. This could be due to the high levels of flavonols present in the fruit, which help to fight inflammation that can lead to cartilage damage and conditions such as osteoarthritis. Ongoing research is exploring the potential for pomegranates to reduce the risk of conditions such as osteoporosis and rheumatoid arthritis. Pomegranate juice may also benefit athletic performance, with its antioxidant content potentially enhancing endurance, aerobic activity, and overall performance. 16. A natural fertility booster. There's another hidden benefit to the red fruit. Pomegranates, with its rich antioxidant content, has been found to lower oxidative stress levels in the body. Oxidative stress has been linked to sperm dysfunction as well as decreased fertility in women. Studies are underway to understand other potent benefits it may carry for the reproductive system. Apart from this, pomegranates could also power up your sex life. The fruit has been shown to increase testosterone levels, the sex hormone in both men and women. It also increases blood flow to the genital region. For this reason, the fruit also earns the nickname of being natural Viagra. Caution: pomegranate juice is good for cardiovascular health, but in rare cases, it may react with a patient's medication. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.